cooled off only the ends. See how it's dark and black there, but it's still hot there because I do want to work there still. Back in the fire we go.
All right, Teeny, come on, mommy's getting tired. You're heavy.
In this forge, if you do get something too hot, like I'm gonna have to keep sticking this end in the water because it is smaller. This forge, if you do get something too hot, instead of melting, because it's kind of an uncontrolled fire, it'll just burn. It'll turn
Take the temper out of it?
Well, not only that, it'll just turn into a sparkler and disappear. Yeah. So you can actually just ruin things in this forge if you're not being careful. To the point of your tempering, though, yes. Like if you're repairing something, especially. Like the other day, I was repairing a tool called a draw knife, and I was working on the handle. I wasn't working on the blade part of it, but I had to be careful, right? I didn't want the blade to heat up too much because, yeah, it would have taken the temper out. That wouldn't be good. And sometimes, when you're tempering is, changing the properties of the metal by how you heat it up and cool it off. And there's a lot of different techniques involved in that, but like if you have a cutting edge, right, you want it to be pretty hard, but you don't want everything to be hard. Hard is not always a good quality for a tool. For instance, we made an axe recently. The edge, which this one doesn't have an edge added to it yet, the edge was tempered too hard, so the first time somebody went to split wood, just shattered, right? Hard things shatter. Like glass is super hard. You cannot cut glass with your pocket knife. Drop it on the ground, crack, right? So there's a balance there between hardness and toughness, having some flexibility. All right, so I got my one side of the hook. I need to cut this off because it's way too long, right? So I'm gonna cool the end off. I'm gonna heat it up back here, and then we'll cut it with a tool called a Hardy, which is more like a wedge. It's not sharp. It's more just a big metal triangle that I hammer the iron down onto to split it apart.